Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Bank of America app for credit card balance transfers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store or Google Play Store on your device home screen. Tap on the App Store icon if you have an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, tap on the Google Play Store icon. Once the store opens, find the search bar at the top. Type Bank of America into the search bar. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the official Bank of America app in the search results. Verify the app's publisher is Bank of America to ensure authenticity. Tap the download or install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the app by tapping on its icon. If you already have an account, select Login. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are a new user, select Enroll to create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the enrollment process. After logging in, look for the credit card section within the app. Select the option for balance transfers. Read through the terms and conditions related to balance transfers. Choose the credit card account from which you want to transfer the balance. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Provide the information for the credit card you are transferring the balance to. Review all details carefully before confirming the transfer. Tap on the Submit button to complete the transfer process. You will receive a confirmation of your balance transfer shortly. Make sure to keep an eye on the status of your transfer in the app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your credit card balance through the Bank of America app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.